channel. Today I'm going to break the leg, how you say, that I'm going to beat my fear about speaking in English. So yes, today we have a chatty vlog. Today I am going to show you 5 top favorite products that are empties and what other products I replace them. So I hope you find this approach interesting and stay with me until the end. But if you like me, please don't forget to subscribe and also the click bell button to be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. The products I'll take it random from the box, but I tell you there are just 5 products, so won't be so boring, I hope. First product is this one. I hope you see it. I'm not quite sure what you see there. This is a dermatocosmetic brand, ACM is the brand, and the product is Sebionex foaming gel. This is for oily skin in particular, maybe mixed, but I think for normal or dry skin it's too much. I really like this product because even if it is for oily skin, it doesn't dry it, only cleans very well the oil excess and everything it is too much. I love it, and I use it until the end. This product is replaced with ta-da! This is another dermato-cosmetic brand, Andalou Naturals Coconut Water Firming Cleanser. This is a very soft one. It's formulated for all skin types, but I think it has some essentials oil. I smell it. I do use essential oils in my daily routine, but not on my skin, just diffused for aromatherapy, this purpose I use them. But I smell it. I smell some mint, something in that direction, and I try to see the ingredients. I don't. Okay, I think they were on the box. It came on the box, paper box. Okay, this one is very light, and it's okay for sensitive skin. It comes mousse, directly mousse, and also I recommend it for those of you who wear lash extensions, because mousse textures cleans the best in there, but only if it doesn't have too much oil. This one, even if I think it has, because of the smell, I don't think it is too much, because it is okay. It doesn't itch me or eyes to have some reaction, because mint, what I smell, mint essential oil, burns. If it is to concentrate, it burns really. So I kind of tend to recommend it for it. So this one goes, this one comes. It has a little time to go also, but this is next product is shower oil. Sabon is the brand. I don't know if it's an international brand. I think I know it is an international brand, but I don't know the sites. Here in Romania it's sabon.ro, so maybe in every country it has its own site. And this is a shower oil. I love the shower oils they made. I don't usually love shower oils, but there are few that I like. Sabon is one of them. So this one goes. It was lavender apple. The smell doesn't, but I didn't know, and also I use it because of the texture and feeling that I had after. This one is replaced with tam taram tam tatam sabon, another sabon, shower oil of course. This is rose tea. It smells divine. I like the smell of this shower oil. Also, it has just a little bit and will be done also. But after I finished that, I'll go with Yves Rocher, another brand that I love. This is from winter collections with pine trees smell. But be back on this. So I kind of finished very quick these bottles because I do a lot of showers every day, twice a day. So this one also is my favorite for my volumized hair and beautiful knot. I used volumized shampoo from hair care M&S. It's called Mates Cosmetics. This is I bought from Pick and Dazzle boxes. I had a 3 months plan for the products, and I choose this. I like it a lot. I like the smell. It's coconut something, mojito. It smells Hawaii on my mind, so I use it, and it's gone. This is the third time I buy this one, so yes, I kind of like it. So this one I will replace it with, it is replaced with another volumized shampoo, Satinic from Amway. I love Amway products also, and the skincare is from Amway. They call the artistry line. This is their cosmetic line, and they have skincare and makeup. Both are but skincare, oh my god, I never ever tested that something that good. I really like it. So back to our shampoo. Satinic for extra volume shampoo for fine flat hair. No. Yes, my hair doesn't have volume at all, but this is my help. So that one. I also, this is Ghino Night Logic. This is my all-time favorite night cream. I told you I have very oily skin, so I tend to not to use night cream because night creams are nourishing, and in the morning often I have a very oily skin, and it looks cakey and natural. It's too much for me. So very long time I just used the serum in the night. But since I discovered that, I also, this is my second cream. I finished that too. I don't have another refill right now. And this one has a light texture, and it is absorbed in my skin very good, natural, don't have a greasy film, nothing. I really like it. And this one will be replaced with tada! It is day cream after. Actually, it is a cream that it's suitable for night because it doesn't has SPF, and because it's aqua, water-based cream for my oily skin. I told you is the best texture. So it has a very light texture, it absorbs very quickly in my skin, and I really like it. It's Ifatherm. This is a Romanian brand, but it's made in France, and I know in Europe it can be bought by pharmacies. I think it's also a dermato-cosmetics brand, but I tell you, this is heaven. I had another one. Also, this is second cream I have, and I choose to use it in the night because it doesn't have SPF. So for daily use, I have another cream with SPF included. So I don't need to put two creams, one without and one with, to do the same thing. So this is my option, and it smells so light. I like they came with this how you call it, I don't know, protection, and the cream is inside. I like to keep the protection as much as I can, just to be sure. Okay, so last product is a brush cleaner. This is from Pro. It's a clear glass. I use it a lot because it also has for sanitize the brushes also, and it has a lot of alcohol in it. It smells yuck, but it does a good job. So this kind of bottles I have all the time, always. I have a refill, 3 more bottles I think I have in my drawer, but I'll replace it with another one, of course. Thank you. And also for my brushes, because not always need to sanitize them for me personally. For my clients I always do. So this one is for my kit, and this one it's Ben Nye cleaner. 946 milligram. This one I put in smaller recipients and just clean the brushes between makeup. But this one is good because the smell is more pleasant. So I choose this one most of the time, but after 2 max 3 clients I need to go with this. So both are working great for me. So that was my top 5 favorite that it's empty right now, and the new products I replaced it with. Hope you like it, you enjoy it, and see you next time. Bye!